Big bucks from PDFs? You bet! Want to make money online? Of course you do! Selling PDFs is a fantastic way to do it. You can earn passive income while you sleep. Imagine waking up to money in your account. It's possible with PDFs. Let's dive in and see how it works. People always need information. They're hungry for knowledge. PDFs are an easy way to package and sell what you know. Whether it's a how-to guide, a recipe book, or a course, there's a market for it. First things first, you need a killer PDF to sell. Think about what you're good at. What do people ask you for help with? That's your sweet spot. You can also use sites like idplr.com. They have tons of pre-made PDFs you can sell. Once you've got your PDF, make sure it's top-notch. People are willing to pay for quality. Check for errors, add some nice visuals, and make it easy to read. Now it's time to set up your online store. Payhip.com is a great option. It's easy to use and they take care of everything for you. You can even connect it to PayPal and Stripe so people can pay you directly. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. People are happy to pay for valuable information. Make sure your pricing is clear and easy to understand. You've got your PDF and your store. Now you need to get the word out. Marketing is key. Use social media like threads.net and YouTube Shorts to promote your PDF. Create engaging content that gets people excited about what you're selling. Offer bonuses to sweeten the deal. Give people a reason to buy from you. And don't forget to build a community around your product. Engage with your audience and answer their questions. The more value you provide, the more sales you'll make. So get out there and start selling those PDFs. Marketing is just the beginning. To ensure long-term success, you need to focus on building a lasting brand. This means creating a strong identity that resonates with your audience. Think about your brand's values, mission, and vision. What makes your PDF unique? What problems does it solve? Communicate these clearly and consistently in all your marketing materials. Next, leverage customer feedback to improve your products. Encourage your buyers to leave reviews and testimonials. This not only builds trust but also provides valuable insights for future improvements. Collaborate with influencers and other businesses in your niche. Partnerships can expand your reach and introduce your PDFs to new audiences. Network at industry events, join online forums, and participate in webinars to increase your visibility. Finally, never stop learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in digital marketing. Adapt and evolve your strategies to keep up with changing market dynamics. Remember, building a brand takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Keep pushing forward, stay committed, and watch your PDF business thrive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.